Do you guys want to relive the 80s? Well, we got you covered here at Bullet Motorsports. This is our 1988 Ferrari Testarossa, flat 12, gated manual transmission, and service documentation that is recent. We're going to give you guys a comprehensive walk around and test drive so you guys can party just like it's the 80s. Hey, get me set up over there. Let's talk about the overall condition of this Testarossa. I would rate this one easily an 8 out of 10. That's an 80% out of 100. The reason for that rating, it has one repaint and there are minor small imperfections that have been touched up with touch-up paint. Tires are in great shape and the overall fit and finish, very nice. The black is even throughout and then you have the beautiful tan interior with the brown dash. Body lines are nice and even. We did do a paint meter on this one and it goes between 4 and 9 mils throughout. You have Toyo Proxy R888s on here, which is kind of an unusual choice, but they are a very sticky tire. Brakes were serviced in 2023 with less than 100 miles on it. And the inner fenders are extremely nice. They have the proper coating on them. Underneath shots are listed in the gallery below. So if you click down there, you're gonna see a full gallery. Let's rotate it. Looking at the passenger side, same condition as the driver's side. Your mirrors are in nice shape, just minor imperfections, which we'll showcase in the gallery. There's a small little rock chip right here. Opening the door, look at how nice the leather condition is, and we do have the original toolkit. Closing the door, closes nicely. Rear quarters are very nice, and once again, the wheel condition on both the driver and passenger side are in show quality condition. Let's test out the headlights. Oh yeah, headlights operate, lights are working on the bottom. Bumper fitment is nice, so it's tucked in properly. In regards to the 8 out of 10, the reason for that, there are minor rock chips that have been touched up, so they touch it up with the proper paint. The bottom section here is in really nice condition. You'll see photos of that in the gallery. All your lights operate, your Ferrari crest is in very nice shape, and there are no dents or dimples on the top section here of the hood. Once again, look at our gallery to see over 300 photos of this beautiful piece. Let's open up this front end. Front end is extremely nice. You still have the sticker here for original painting. Glasuit, color Nero Ferrari 1240. So that's right there. You're gonna see that the leather is missing for the corners. This keeps falling off, so we're gonna include it with the sale. I don't know which adhesive you should use to put that back on, but we're just telling you. Underneath the carpets, you can see your brake reservoir, your power assist. Very nice condition, proper clamps. You do have the tool bag as well. So we have that, and we'll have a photo of this laid out for you in the gallery. Taking a look at the rear, you have working taillights and side markers, and you have that futuristic bar design. They actually brought this to the later models, which are out right now. Underneath, you're gonna have your quad-tipped exhaust. This does have high-flow catalytic converters in place, and it does have O2 sensors removed. That doesn't affect performance, but I'm just telling you that, so if you're gonna have this emissioned in a certain state, just make note of that. Top section for the deck lid is very nice. Your shocks work, which we're gonna show you shortly. You have your third brake light right here, and all of these are in very nice condition. Opening the hatch, your shocks operate, and you can see that beautiful flat 12. Once again, 0 to 60, 5.2 seconds. You also have a top speed of 180 miles an hour. I think 0 to 100 is 11 seconds. And I want you guys to look at how beautiful this is. There are no drips, there's no leaks, and everything has been gone through within the last, I would say 100, 200 miles from 2023. We're gonna put some miles on it for you. It does have a old school radar setup, so you're gonna see that on the dash inside, and we'll show you that shortly. All right, we're gonna jump on Marina Mile with this beautiful Testarossa. We're gonna go through all the gears. We're gonna go through all the functions. Air condition works, it's super hot here today. 18,624 miles. Take a look at the service records below, so if you click on the link. Radio works. Radio operates. Air condition. Lights work. Horn works. All your seat controls operate. And I don't hear any rattles. Clutch is really easy. There's no chattering. It releases at a good point. third gear, fourth. It pulls in any gear, I love that. And fifth gear. Downshifting. Nice and easy. We're gonna go over the bridge here, we'll turn around, we'll get more accelerated. It's at perfect operating temperature right now. Oil pressure's good and it accelerates as it should. So braking is even, no issues. Even the actual system here lights up. It's perfect. Listen to this. Oh yeah. Headlights, back down. All right, let's test it out. Oh, yeah. This thing needed to be exercised, and I'm loving every minute of it. Let's put our lights on. And put the windows down so I can hear it too. Here comes the big couple bumps, big dip. No issues at all. Hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you have a vehicle like this that you want to sell, give us a call or go to our website and submit your ride. I'm out of here. Oh, man.
It sounds amazing. It looks awesome, too.
It's so smooth. So smooth. Hee hee!